Good morning, everyone. Hope you're almost ready for Thanksgiving. It's a very, very unique holiday where we all have a chance to stop and pause and give thanks for all the blessings that have been brought into our lives, and hopefully, usually with close family members around us. So it's a fun time, not to mention all the good eating, too, which is always a lot of fun. It is a pre-holiday market. The markets are acting like it. I believe the Fed will hold the markets in a trading range today. We have a 7-year auction in the 10-year. That alone should hold the market sideways to higher. But we have tons of news today. Durable orders up 1.5. Ex-transportation plus 0.3. Jobless claims 270. The new default, it's come in a little higher than that the last two times. Personal income plus 0.4. Hard to believe this number given the softness in the job market. Personal spending plus 0.3. Core PCE plus 0.2. FHFA housing price index plus 0.5. PMI flash PMI services. Haven't really figured out how to pronounce it. 55. New home sales 500K. Consumer sentiment 93.1. And crude inventories plus 1.2 million barrels. The effect of all of this news is probably just to hold the market in the trading range because we're got to see what comes next. Durable orders ex transportation is number 1. Personal spending number 2. New home sales probably a distant third, as consumer sentiment a distant third. Don't know on those two. Looks like tensions between Russia and Turkey are quietening down right now. No explosions yet. Russia's going to do something to Turkey. We don't know what it is, but they're more than tit for tat. You do me once, I'm going to do you at least twice. So something's coming. We don't know what it is, but right now they're going to take their protests to NATO and the UN. So right there, durable orders, ex transportation, personal spending, they all come at once. Could whipsaw the market. I believe jobless claims will be lost in the shuffle. I don't think anybody will pay any attention to core PCE. So that's where we have it. Right now, resistance starts at 2.5. You can see that volume is higher in the distributions. Yesterday's auction got off at 127, so I think when it's all said and done today, we close the market at 127 or higher. Resistance 4 to 8, so sell 3 to 7, sell 1, 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, 24, 28. Those numbers should sound familiar. And 17 to 21. Fed loves a sideways to higher market in all markets. NOV spread was pretty much the same overnight, up a couple of ticks, but no big moves, and I think that'll probably be the case today. And you can see we had a fairly quiet session. Definitely a P, volumes over time. Last rotate up yesterday in L period stopped the market at 9. Last rotate up in A period was 13. Stops above 09 looks like they're doable. So basically failure to take out 8 to 12 is going to be the first sell. Then 19s to 23s. And we do have news that can shake the markets this morning. That durable orders number, if it comes in less than forecast, ex-transportation, this market can rally. And the transportation orders skew that number all over the place. 25, 29, that's where support is, buy 1. And then 17 to 13 for buy 2. In case the news comes in super strong, if the durable orders numbers beat their expectation, personal spending up, then this market can come off. So we have a lot of news that could swing the market today. Gold was pretty quiet. Quiet overnight. Resistance, we had an 80-82 sell from yesterday. Our number 2 sell zone had held up. That would lead me to believe that maybe 70-72 will hold up. 10 points, $10 from the high. So 72.70 buy 1. Buy 2, 65.67. 79.81 sell. 84.86 sell 2. The open outcry markets in New York are closed on Friday, so while Globex will change shorten hour, will trade shorten hours, not much will happen in crude or gold, given the absence of the floor. Unless we have a major piece of news, then all hell can break loose. Okay, the euro sold. Announcements were made on the expansion of QE. Hard, tangible, they're going to increase purchases. And the market reacted as you'd expect. It would sell. And the selling started in London and has accelerated since. So, 575, buy 1. 550, buy 2. On the sell side, the spill was from 22, so 625, sell 1. 615, 625, sell 1. And 45 to 55, sell 2. Crude oil. Pieces returned to the Middle East. Maybe. And one of the articles, will Russia cut off gas shipments to Turkey? The headline was 10 billion reasons for no. Not that they need the money. I mean, it's commodity-driven export economy, and so anybody will buy that stuff, they're going to sell it to them, and they'll figure out what to do for Turkey in another way. So here we are, 42, 41.75, buy 1. Buy 2, 41.25, 41 even. On the sell side, 42.75, 43, sell 1. 42.25, 43.50, 43.25, 43.50, sell 2. Pretty much where we were yesterday on the close. Okay, the E-mini 10-point trading range overnight. 2100 is within reach. Black Fridays can actually market be sold if they sense that there's not going to get the numbers that they thought that they were getting. And I don't know how Black Friday plays now, seeing how Black Friday started on the first weekend in November. But the bias is to the upside, and we like it. Tons of news. I'm not going to list all that again. We did it. It's right there for you to get. Kano Day, buy 1, 80 to 83, buy 2, 75, 77. On the sell side, failure to take out 92.95. Think they're going to get stops above the overnight session, probably above 95. So really 95 plus or minus. And then 99 to 2101. And nothing would probably please large institutional money managers in the Fed more than a close at 2100. And if the news is bad, that should get us up there faster. If the news is really good and strong, durable orders comes in and beats all the estimates, then that will give the market pause for a bit. But again, yesterday good news was actually good news in the stock market. So here we are, holiday trading. I imagine after the Treasury auction that things will quiet down in most markets, with everybody watching to see what happens in the last hour of trading in the E-mini. It'll take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will see you as soon as possible.